Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to find the median of an array. The median represents the middle value when data is sorted. If the array has an odd length, we return the middle value. If even, we take the average of the two middle values. Let's dive in. The median is useful for statistical analysis because it represents the central value of a dataset. Our function should work for both even and odd length arrays. This function sorts the array and finds the middle index. If the length is odd, it returns the middle value. If even, it calculates the average of the two middle values. The function follows a structured process: sorting, identifying the midpoint, and returning the median based on whether the array length is even or odd. This table illustrates how the function processes different inputs, ensuring accuracy in both odd and even length arrays. The median is widely used in statistics, data science, and algorithm optimization, making this function a valuable tool in many applications. In summary, this function is a simple yet powerful way to find the central value in a dataset. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.